In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Google Sites. If you're looking to give your website a more personalized and professional touch, connecting a custom domain is a great way to start. Let's dive into the process and make it as straightforward as possible for you. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google Sites project. This is where all the magic happens. Open up Google Sites in your browser and find the specific project you want to connect your domain to. Once you've located it, click to open it. This will bring you to the main editing screen of your site where you can make any necessary changes or updates. Next, direct your attention to the Settings option. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various options related to the setup and management of your site. It's here where you'll find the pathway to connect your custom domain. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Custom Domains. Selecting this will lead you to the section where you can manage your domain settings. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to establish your own unique web address rather than using the default Google Sites URL. Now, you'll see an option that says Connect Domain. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter the custom domain name you wish to use. Make sure that the domain you have in mind is already registered and that you have access to its DNS settings, as you'll need to verify ownership. Once you've entered your domain name, Google Sites will provide you with specific instructions on how to update your DNS settings. This usually involves adding a few records to your domain registrar's DNS configuration. Follow these instructions carefully, as they are essential for your domain to correctly point to your Google site. After updating the DNS settings, it might take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. Patience is key here, as DNS updates can sometimes take a few hours to fully process. You can check back periodically to see if your Google site is accessible via your new domain. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully connected your custom domain to your Google site. This will not only make your site more memorable, but also provide a more professional appearance to visitors. Remember, having a custom domain is just one of many ways to enhance your site, and it opens up numerous opportunities for branding and online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in setting up your custom domain.